Quick note. This is an automated educational summary of public medical sources, Mayo Clinic, the NIH, and MedlinePlus. It is for tracking your health markers, not medical advice. Always confirm results with a licensed clinician. If you've scrolled health forums lately, you've probably seen stool testing mentioned. The market for at-home gut tests has exploded over the last few years. But most of the information out there is either vague marketing or buried in medical jargon. Here's what Mayo Clinic and the NIH actually say about gut health stool testing, what it measures, what it costs, and how you actually order one online right now in 2026. A stool test is a lab analysis of your sample, shipped to you, collected at home, and sent back for analysis. According to MedlinePlus, these tests typically measure bacterial composition, digestive markers, and inflammatory indicators. Think of it as a snapshot of your microbiome and digestive function. The Cleveland Clinic notes that results can show whether you have certain bacterial patterns or markers that might warrant a conversation with your healthcare provider. It's not a diagnosis on its own. It's data to review with a clinician. Pricing varies widely. Direct-to-consumer tests range from about $200 to $500 depending on what's included. Some test just bacterial count. Others add inflammatory markers, parasites, or yeast. A few companies offer tiered options. Insurance rarely covers these since they're marketed as wellness rather than diagnostic. If you use an FSA or HSA, check whether your specific test qualifies. Out of pocket, expect $250 to $400 for a comprehensive panel. That's the real-world number you'll see at checkout. The test kit includes a sample collection device, usually a swab or small brush. You follow instructions at home, seal it, and mail it back. Labs analyze bacterial DNA using something called 16S sequencing. They're looking at which bacteria are present, in what proportions, and which markers show up. The NIH research suggests this can reveal imbalances, sometimes called dysbiosis. Other markers include zonulin or calprotectin, which some research links to gut inflammation. Results come back as a report showing bacteria, names, and percentages, not as a simple pass or fail. Several established companies now offer at-home stool tests. Everlywell, Viomi, Ombre Labs, and Thorne all have online ordering without requiring a doctor order first. Each has slightly different panels. Some include micronutrient absorption data or inflammation markers. Others focus purely on bacterial composition. Pricing and turnaround time vary. Most deliver results in 2 to 3 weeks. Read the fine print on what's included before ordering because gut health test means different things to different labs. You order from a company's website, pay upfront, and they ship the kit to you. Then you collect the sample at home following their exact instructions. This matters because samples need to be handled right, or results are invalid. You mail it back in the prepaid envelope. The company's website tracks your sample. In 2 to 4 weeks, you log into their portal and see your results. Some platforms offer telehealth consultations with practitioners to discuss what the data means. You don't need a doctor referral to start this process, though sharing results with your actual doctor is highly recommended. Your report will show a breakdown of bacterial families and percentages. Most reports include a comparison to population averages, so you can see if your bacterial diversity is higher, lower, or typical. Some results highlight imbalances or markers of inflammation. Here's the important part. According to the CDC and Mayo Clinic, abnormal results don't automatically mean you need treatment. They're a conversation starter. An imbalance might mean something, or it might not. This is exactly why you should review results with a healthcare provider before making any changes. If you see results you're curious about, that's the time to schedule time with a doctor, registered dietitian, or functional medicine practitioner. They can assess your full health picture, symptoms, and lifestyle alongside the test data. Dietary changes, fiber intake, fermented foods, sleep, stress, all influence your gut. And that is a conversation worth having with a professional. A test is one tool. It's not the whole picture. Some people see results and make changes. Others get more testing. There's no one right path here. Ordering a gut health stool test online in 2026 is straightforward and doesn't require a doctor visit to start. Costs typically run $200 to $500. Results come back in a few weeks, and most platforms make it easy to understand the data. The key thing to remember: a test is informational, not diagnostic. Use it to start a conversation with a healthcare provider, not as the final word on your gut health. Ready to learn more? Click the link in the description for recommended testing platforms and guides. And hey, what type of health tests are you interested in? Comment below and we will make a video about it.